a comfortable position, either sitting or lying down. Allow your body to settle, your muscles to soften. Close your eyes gently. Take a slow, deep breath in, filling your lungs with calm. Exhale slowly, releasing any tension or fatigue. Imagine a soft, golden light beginning to glow deep within your chest, right at your heart center. This is the light of your own innate healing energy. Feel its warmth spreading gently outwards. Whisper, "My inner light shines brightly." With each breath, invite this golden light to expand. Inhale healing, exhale weariness. Visualize the light flowing like liquid sunshine through your veins, reaching every part of your body. Say, "Healing energy flows freely within me." Picture this light bathing your immune system. See tiny warriors of light awakening within you, strong and vigilant. They are energized, ready to protect and defend your well-being. Whisper, "My immunity is strong and alert." Focus on your breath as a cleansing river. Inhale pure, revitalizing energy. Exhale any toxins, any discomfort, any sluggishness. Feel the breath washing through you, leaving you feeling clean and refreshed. Say, "I release what no longer serves me." your awareness to any area of your body that feels tired or in need of healing. Gently direct the golden light to this place. Imagine it surrounding the area like a warm, soothing blanket, infusing it with restorative power. Whisper, "Healing light, restore me now." Visualize roots extending from your body, reaching down into the cool, dark earth. Feel the planet's grounding, stabilizing energy rising up through these roots, adding strength and resilience to your own. Say, "The earth supports my healing journey." Now, feel a gentle wave of love washing over you, starting from the crown of your head and flowing down to your toes. This is unconditional love for yourself, exactly as you are. Let it dissolve any self-criticism or doubt. Whisper, "I embrace myself with love and compassion." Imagine this loving energy merging with the golden healing light. Love amplifies healing. Feel this combined force gently repairing tissues, soothing nerves, and balancing your entire system. Say, "Love is the most powerful healer." Picture a tranquil pool of peace deep within you. See its surface, calm and reflective. Let any scattered thoughts or worries gently dissolve into this pool, leaving only stillness. Whisper, "Inner peace calms my body and mind." Feel this profound sense of peace saturating every cell. Your body remembers its natural state of health and harmony. Allow it to rest deeply in this peaceful, healing space. Say, "My body knows how to heal itself." Envision yourself vibrant and full of energy, moving with ease and joy. See yourself healthy, resilient, and glowing from within. Hold this image firmly in your mind's eye. This is your potential reclaiming itself. Whisper, "I am healthy, whole, and complete." Slowly begin to bring your awareness back to your physical body, back to the room. Feel the gentle warmth of the golden light still glowing within you, the deep peace residing in your core. Place one hand on your heart. Say, "I carry this healing peace with me." Open your eyes when you are ready, feeling refreshed and renewed.